tried my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so glad that you guys clicked on the video today, and I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of deep cleaning in just a few spaces that I've been needing to tackle. We're also going to be doing some reorganizing in a couple of different spaces. If you guys are looking for some cleaning motivation today, I got you. If you're cleaning with me today, let me know in the comments, and we're going to go ahead and just get started.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clean.
So on this day, I actually had some big plans. I was going to borrow a pressure washer and go ahead and clean my back patio for you guys. I know a lot of you guys have asked about that in my recent videos. So I wasn't able to get the pressure washer on this day, so I just went ahead and did some like reorganizing in different spaces instead. So in my next video, I will be pressure washing the patio and just kind of getting the windows clean and doing some deeper cleaning. So make sure you're subscribed for that video and you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss it. So what I'm trying to do here is go ahead and wipe down and dust in some spaces or spots that I hardly touch. So I was going ahead and cleaning like the windowsill and the shelves there and stuff like that. And then now I am just using my cloth and kind of touch cleaning or spot treating my TV. I'm not putting any product on it or anything. I just kind of wanted to wipe off the smudges.
Before you turn around and walk away. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my, I just wanna see you. I can do my, I can do my, I can do my thing. I can do my, I can do my, I can do my, I can do my.
So I was actually cleaning these little shelves here and I dropped the glass decor and only a little tiny bit cracked off and chipped. So I went ahead and got a vacuum cleaner because I wanted to make sure there was no glass on the floor and get that vacuumed out. So because this is a ruggable, periodically you have to readjust it because the top rug is Velcroed to the bottom rug. That's so you're able to just remove that top rug and throw it in the wash machine whenever you want. As much as I do love that ability, I am constantly kind of readjusting it so it's flat and straight and doesn't have any lines or wrinkles.
Ooh, start feeling hopeless, scream out loud, because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You got it.
Okay, so one thing I'm guilty of is not dusting this chandelier enough, you guys. I probably do it like once a month But here in Arizona, it's so dusty, so you have to definitely do it more often than that. But there wasn't a lot of buildup or anything. I just want to make sure that I dust it more often because it is right over our food when we're sitting there. So that's just me being honest and real. That is definitely a spot that I need to make sure I wipe down like every time I clean the kitchen, and I just don't.
Unreal, you made me so speechless. I just can't believe it.
So today we are going to be reorganizing my pantry. I do have to say I'm really proud of myself that it is kept up for us. I mean, we have had a messy pantry before. If you've been here for a while, you have seen it. So having these organizers and baskets have definitely kept my pantry under control a little bit.
Getting blood out of the zone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. In your arms of gold.
So I'm just going in there and kind of getting all of the plastic bags, empty cardboard, empty packaging, anything that just needs to go in the recycle. That's what I'm doing, and going ahead and replacing the paper towels instead of just keeping them on the shelf there. I wanted to put them in a wicker basket, so I grabbed another wicker basket that we had in our house and I filled it up there just so we'll have two now.
Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. In your arms of gold, I rise from the ashes. If you let me hear you say my name, my name. If you let me hear you, babe. 'Cause I wonder if you feel the same.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys remember this from Christmas time, but during the holidays, there's always somebody putting their cookies in a cute jar like this. So I tried it with Ritz crackers. We have a lot of crackers. The kids like to eat them with like cheese and crackers and stuff. And so I was trying to make them look really cute and aesthetically pleasing in there. I don't think it works as good as the cookies, but it definitely works for us, and it got all of that recycle and trash out of the pantry.
Fall into your arms, come on and fall in love with me, with me. I can be the one to turn your life around and never let you down. So please, let me hear you say my name, name. Let me hear you say my name, name. Let me hear you say my name. Let me hear you say my name. Even though it's dark some days, I know blue skies are coming our way. Yeah, yeah. Everything will be.
So now that the pantry is reorganized and functional again, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of clean up the kitchen and get everything off the countertops.
Completely satisfied, right? As long as
So right here, hubby needed a Band-Aid. He was working on his kayak trailer in the garage on this day. So it was like an all-day project. And when I am focused, you guys, like when I plan to attack the house and clean it and reorganize or tackle a task, I don't like to be bothered, you guys. I like to really just kind of focus from start to finish and get it done. I just feel like if I start being social and like hanging out with everyone, I'll let my guard down and I won't actually finish what I'm working on. So that is why I like to focus all the way through and through. So what I'm doing here is filling up one of my sides of the sink with hot soapy water. This soap dispenser was almost out of soap, so I was just cleaning it out so I can put that bottle away because I do have another dish soap right there. So I'm filling everything up and soaking it in the hot soapy water so the food will come off easier and it's just a lot quicker and easier for me to clean. I'm also going to go ahead and put my produce strainer. I've been using this as like a holder for all the clean dishes. So then at the end, I'll turn the water back on and just rinse them and put them on the dry mat. That just kind of helps me so I'm not just like randomly using so much water the whole entire time I'm cleaning the dishes.
Strangers again. When you stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now.
So as I was cleaning my stove, I wanted to show you guys a little bit closer. There were some little like food particles that would not come off my stove. So I went ahead and used this little brush that I got from Amazon. It's just a little tool I like to use that helps me scrape up things, and it just makes my job easier.
Strangers again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. We're like strangers again. I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. All we have are scars.
If you guys are getting cleaning motivation and you're enjoying this video, I would really appreciate it if you would share it with friends or family. It helps out my videos way more than you guys realize. Thanks in advance if you're able to do that.
It hurts to realize we're parted. And look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Like strangers again. I better get started. It's time to get my head up again. You said that you had to. I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end.
So I am using my e-cloth mop to mop my floors. I really love e-cloth. If you don't know what it is, all you have to do is add water to their cloths, because the fibers in their cloths actually do the cleaning for you. So I have a lot of different e-cloths. I love them. I know a lot of you guys have used my link in the past and have been loving them. So if you are looking to try them out, I will have that link down below in the description box.
We're talking to each other. I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle. Yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing. Time to cherish who we are.
So I'm really excited to declutter and reorganize this closet today. I actually did a whole video on this earlier this year. So this is the second time this year that I am reorganizing it and decluttering it. So what I'm doing here is just starting with removing all the extra shoes that we have in here that we have brought down from our rooms and have used this as our storage place for our shoes. We do not need that many shoes in here. So I went ahead and bagged up all the extra shoes in the house and took them to everybody's room.
All colors will fade. Let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do. Let's break away.
So So back there are a couple of like holiday wrapping paper that I'm storing. I do have like a stack of boxes in the corner. You can't see them. So I just threw the wrapping paper on top of them. And now I went ahead and put like my lash bed and the baby gate, or we used it for Remy. I went ahead and put it against the wall there, but I should really get rid of the baby gate, and the lash bed I will keep just in case if I ever offer any services at home again, then I will use that.
Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break up.
All right, you guys, so this is a vent that I have in my loft that I have been ignoring. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it and also replace the filter. All I'm doing here is using a microfiber cloth, just wrapping it around my finger and just kind of sticking it in the vent there. And as you can see, it's working out just fine. I'm getting all of that dust and dirt out of there.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah. But who are we kidding? We can pretend that we feel nothing. But if you're game, I am willing to jump. 'Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. And I'm feeling the way I do. Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be true. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm. We can pretend that we have changed.
All right, you guys, so that's the best I can do. I think what I'm going to do next time is figure out a way I can remove these all the way and maybe like throw them in the bathtub and spray them down. There were a few little crevice areas that I couldn't reach with the microfiber cloth, but this will do for now. It is so much cleaner, you guys. I just feel like I could breathe better. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video and got tons of motivation. I love you guys so much. Please comment down below and say hi. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram so we can talk in between the videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.